Today we are going to be making extremely delicious Bao Buns. If you want to know how to make this, then keep on watching and give this video a huge like. So let's start. First we're going to be starting with our dough, bao dough. So for the bao dough, start with the yeast mixture. Take 100 ml of lukewarm water. You don't want the water to be extremely hot, otherwise the yeast won't activate. To this, add in 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it and keep it aside so that the yeast can bloom. It will take 5 minutes so that yeast can bloom. In that time, we will mix our dry ingredients. So in a large mixing bowl, add in 1 plus 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, also known as maida. To this, I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then mix it with a whisk. Our dry ingredients is well mixed. Now we will wait for the yeast to bloom and then we will add our yeast mixture. Remember that in a bowl that you have made the yeast mixture, it is well covered. So it's been 5 minutes since my yeast mixture is sitting. As you can see, my yeast is well bloomed. To this, let's add in the yeast mixture to our dry ingredients and 1.5 tablespoon of oil. We are going to mix it well. Once it starts getting along, just pour it out to your platform. Make sure that your platform is well cleaned. You don't want any germs. And now you need to knead your dough for 10 minutes. I know it is a very long time, but this will help it make fluffy. So it's been 10 minutes. I've been kneading this dough for 10 minutes now. So you want to now take a bowl and just grease it with a little bit of oil and then just roll the dough in the oil. Cover it with a cling wrap or cloth and let it sit for an hour. Okay, so now let's start with the filling. You want to turn on the gas and pour 1 tablespoon of oil. I've been using a lot of cold press oil recently because it is so much more healthier than refined oil. Guys, please stop using refined oil. If you have any cold press shop nearby, please go buy cold press. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And we are going to now let that heat. Our oil is heated. To this, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of chopped carrots and saute it for 30 seconds or a minute. Now add in 1/4 cup of sliced onions and saute it for 30 seconds. Now add in 1/4 cup of sliced capsicums. So for a pop of color, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of chopped purple cabbage. To this I'm going to be adding salt and black pepper as per taste. Add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Just mix it well and top it up with some spring onion and fresh rosemary. If you don't have rosemary, it's totally fine. You can add dried rosemary or oregano. Switch off the gas and we are done with the filling. So it's been an hour and a half. Now let's check our dough. It has almost doubled in size. We're going to punch it down and roll it with the help of a rolling pin. If you want, you can just dust a little bit of flour down to your rolling surface. So with the help of a lid or a cookie cutter, you want to cut 8 circles. So I have all rolled them out. Just take a little bit of oil and brush on top. Do that to every single one. Now what you want to do, just take one of them and fold them in half like this. And then roll it very gently. Just like this. Do that to every single one. So we are going to steam these bao buns. So for steaming this, take a little bit of parchment paper, butter paper, baking paper, any paper you have. Place that on top and place this in a steamer for 10 to 12 minutes and check them if they are cooked or not. If they are not, just steam it for another few minutes. They are looking amazing. Just take a look at this. I cannot wait any longer. This took about 45 minutes to steam. But if you would do this in an idli cooker, then it would only take 10 to 12 minutes. So let's start filling it. My buns are nice and cooked. They have increased in size as well. So just take our filling that we made and put it in. So they are all filled up. Now it's time to drizzle them with some chipotle sauce. If you don't have chipotle sauce, you can just mix a little bit of mayonnaise. So about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. I use sriracha, you can use any chili sauce you want. And there is a chipotle ready. Since mayonnaise already have salt and black pepper, I don't add salt and black pepper. But you can just lick a little bit and see if you want to add a little bit of salt, black pepper, even relish if you want, that would taste amazing. So now for the drizzle, take a bao bun. It will be a little bit messy since you will get a little bit on your plate. But that looks extremely delicious. I cannot wait, guys. Seriously, I cannot. They look so good. And our extremely delicious bao buns are ready. If you like this recipe, then please go and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook at the link given below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait. I'm so sorry. I'm going to go and have this.